Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss how to generate and distribute e-report card to the parents of an institution. First, I want to show you how it works. On the day of the declaration of results, share the link to the parents or upload the link in your school website. Parents open the link, enter the admission number of their ward and their mail address. After submitting, a message appears to check the given email. Parents open their mail and download the report card. This is the process how the parents got the e-report card. Now we are going to discuss the process how we generate and distribute e-report card. For this, I used 3 Google products which are available in Google Drive. Those are Google Form, Google Sheet and Google Slide. I used Google Form to take the input. That means parent enter the admission number and email address in the Google Form. In Google Sheet, I prepare the consolidated result and I design the report card in Google Slide. For merging these 3, Google Form merge with Google Sheet by using the formula VLOOKUP and Google Sheet merge with the Google Slide by an add-on that is AutoCAD. Now we discuss about this stepwise. This is the design of the Google Form where parents write the admission number of their wards and email address where he want the report card. I set this Google Form in limit to 1 response because parents collect the report card of their ward. Only second one is the Google Sheet which contain the consolidated result of the students. It contains the detail of students like roll number, admission number, name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, class, name of class teacher, name of different subject and mark scored in that subject, which are I want to reflect in the report card. Third and most important one is Google Slide, where I design the format of the report card. This is the format of the report card, which contains the student name, admission number, roll number, mother's name, father's name, class, section and date of birth. And this box contains the mark statement of the students. This is for QR code and this is for photograph. Now we discuss how we merge Google Form with the Google Sheet. For this, open the Google Form which is prepared for this purpose. Click on Responses and next click on Create Spreadsheet. There is 2 options. Create a new spreadsheet, select existing spreadsheet. Now we click on selecting existing spreadsheet and click on Select. These are the spreadsheets which are in my Google Drive, but I have to click on the Google Sheet which was prepared for this purpose. Now I click on report card video, then click on Select. Now Google Form merge with the Google Sheet. This is Sheet 1 which was prepared for report card which contain the consolidated result sheet, and this is the response collected from the Google Form. Now to merge in the second column we have to write this formula VLOOKUP C2 from responses 1 BC to 0. We have to write this one. This contains reference. Now click on this, select this, and then paste. This contains has a name. Now select to last, which was prepared for the students. Next one is merging of Google Sheet with Google Slide. We can merge Google Sheet with Google Slide by using the add-on AutoCAD. And therefore, we have to install AutoCAD if we use it first time. For this, open a Google Sheet, click on the extension, next click on add-on. There is an option to get add-on. Then click on get add-on. After clicking on get add-on, we got these apps. If there is no AutoCAD app, then type AutoCAD in the search bar. AUTOCRAT. Then search. Next, click on AutoCAD. Then there is an option to install it. Now click on install. Then continue. Then message appear to choose an account. Choose the account where you want to launch the AutoCAD. After that, go to last and click on allow. Now AutoCAD has been installed. Click on done. Now AutoCAD install. After that, click on extension. Next, click on AutoCAD. There is an option for launch. Then click on launch. Next, click on new job. After few seconds, we get there is an option to write the name of the job. I write here report card. Then click on next. Next, there is an option choose templates from drive or create example. We have to click on from drive because we have to select those slides which was prepared for preparing the report card. This is the files. So click on the file and then select. Automatically the files come here. Next, click on next. This is the map source data to template. Here select sheet 1. Now we have to merge the unmapped text. There are 17 unmapped texts, so I have to map them. How we map them? There is an option for class. Now I have to select here. I right click on class, then class is mapped. Next one is roll number. I have to click on roll number, then roll number is mapped. Then date of birth automatically mapped because the name of Google slide was date of birth, DOB, and the name in the Google sheet is DOB. Therefore, they automatically mapped. Next, click on mother's name. Next, click on father's name. Next, this is the QR code. I have to make the QR code not in standard form, in image form. So click here image, then map with QR code. This is for QR code. In this way, map all the unmapped text. After mapped all the unmapped, click on next. Then there is an option to write the file name. Click here. Next, click this arrow mark and click on the roll number and paste here. Similarly, now type of report card. I have to send the report card in PDF file. So click on this and select the PDF. Next, click on next. There is an option for choose destination folder. It means where I have to send the report cards of the students. You can choose a folder or click on choose folder. There are so many folder. You can select folder where you want to save the report card. Otherwise, you can cancel it. Next is add dynamic folder for reference. That is not required. That is optional. Click on next. Then set merge condition. For set merge condition, click on add condition. Click here. There is an option for condition. If condition is equal to 1, then this is merged. Otherwise, this is not merged. Next, click on next. Share document. Yes, I want to share the document in PDF file. Allow collaborate to reshare. Click yes. Send from generic no reply address. Click on yes. Next, this one is important where the mail will be sent. So click here. Next, click here. Click on email and paste here. Next, write the type in subject. That is subject is report card. Write message. Please download the report card of your word. Click on next. Then there is two options. We have to click first one or run on from trigger. After that, this message will appear. We have to click on yes. After few minutes, we have to click on save. Saving job report card completed. After completing this option, there is 4 options. First one is to run the job. Second one is to edit the job. Third one is to preview job details. Fourth one is to delete the job. After that, we have to run the job. Job is completed. Now Google Sheet merge with Google Slide. For trial, open the Google form which was prepared for this purpose. Click on Review. Enter the admission number of a student and email address. Next, submit it. Message appear to check the given email. Now open the email. You get this is the report card. Download the report card. This is the process how to generate and distribute the e-report card. Thank you. If you think this is useful for you, please subscribe.